Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down the basic requirements. Level your chosen weapon to the needed tiers and enable any 2 XP boosts you have. Once done, choose one primary and kit it with attachments that increase TTK and accuracy so kills come faster. Mix aggressive positioning with reliable aim. Aim for headshots where feasible. Make sure to track progress after each match and rotate maps that favor close to medium fights, so your progression compounds quickly and predictably. You now focus on the complex middle. Stack challenges deliberately to hit multiple goals per kill. For example, combine longshot objectives with a sniper variant on open maps, then switch to close-range modes for hipfire or melee tasks. Once you've planned overlaps, use a secondary class to reset risk and keep momentum. Rotate optics and perks between classes so you complete hipfire, adds, and movement challenges efficiently. Keep score of which specific commo tiers remain, and prioritize those tailored sessions. You finish by closing any remaining challenge gaps methodically. Target the exact commo tasks left and run focused, short sessions to avoid burnout. Once completed, verify the dark matter unlock in the weapon customization screen and equip it. If it doesn't appear immediately, restart the game client and recheck. If specific challenges aren't tracking, switch to a different weapon briefly then back, because challenge desyncs can resolve with a reload. Remember to save screenshots or clips as proof if you need support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.